The first step is to simply open up your Framer website, and then what we're gonna have to do next is simply click on Insert in the top left corner. Then you're gonna have to go to Creative and simply drag Fit Text. Now, as you can see, we have this text here. So as you can see, we can scale it up if we want. We can change the position. Now, as you can see here, we have different settings that we can play around with. So we have some effects. So basically we can add a peer, we can add loop, etc. So here you can play around with the settings if you want to add effects, but I'm going to show you how to add just the text. So if we scroll down, we can see that we can add new styles. So you can make this a heading, we can make this a paragraphs, etc. Then we have the font. So simply click on the font, and here you can simply choose whatever you like from here. Then we have the weight. So basically based on the font that you choose, you can select bold or italic. Then we have the color, so you can simply click on that and we can change the color from here. Then we have the size, line, alignment, etc. So there are a lot of settings that you can play around, but overall that's how you can add text. Now if you want to edit the text, double click on it and simply add whatever you want, and basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.